funky.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Now today's video is just like so crazy. I've been waiting for this for so long. I was on the New Hampshire trip, which I'm going to upload a second video. I don't know if I want to do a third one yet or not, but the second one is definitely coming out on Sunday, since my schedule now that I upload is every Wednesday and every Sunday. You guys help me decide that on Instagram, and if you guys want to be a part of those types of decisions, make sure to go follow me. I have it linked down below so you guys can go check it out. But yes, as you guys read the title, I did get a new purse. I really want to show you guys. I also asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted to see this type of video on my channel, and the majority of you guys said yes, so I decided just to go ahead and do it for you guys. Now what it came in is this type of packaging here. This is the actual box. Oh my gosh, look at this. Like, you guys, this is so unreal, and every time I see this box in my hands, like from the previous purses that I've gotten, like I have been beyond grateful for every single one of them. Every single one of them. Still to this day, I can't believe that I actually own one. These purses have been like such a huge dream of mine ever since I was a kid, and my grandmother, she always like collected purses like these, like all different types of designer brands, and that's what really got me into it. And ever since then, this has just been my biggest dreams and goals, you guys. Like, they are just so amazing and so worth it. Everything is just so nicely crafted and like luxurious, and I just don't know, I don't know how to really explain it. It's just like things that, you know, are gonna last you for a long time if you really take care of them, and they are worth every single penny, that's for sure. Just so well made, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and open it with you guys and show you what's inside. This is what it looks like when you first open it. As you can see, this just has details about the bag. Hold on, I'll show you. As you can see there, and on the bag it looks like that. And also it was wrapped in this too when I first got it. I was gonna film it once I first got it, but then I was super excited to open it, so this is where we are now. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was scary. I have this chain here. Here is the bag, just bag. I still can't believe it. So, we're gonna open it like this. Let me give you guys the reveal. Oh my gosh. It takes my breath away like every single time. That's what it looks like on the side. Isn't it beautiful? You can tell it says Louis Vuitton if you guys can even see that. It's hard to see, but you can kind of tell where it has wording on it. I love this so much. It's such a beauty. Okay, so now we're gonna open it. I'm gonna show you guys what's inside and what it came with. So that's what it looks like. I have dogs, so I really hope the hair does not stick to this. But that's what it looks like when you first open it. I love how it also just says Louis Vuitton down there on the button. You guys still can't really see, but I'm gonna open it. I'll show you guys what's inside, what it looks like. I'm trying to figure out how you guys can see this, but it just says Louis Vuitton on the inside. Kind of see, I don't want to like damage it, so I can show you guys. But it says Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in France. Has a little pocket right here. It's so dark, it's kind of, there you go, little pocket. What it came with on the inside is this super cute little like zippy, what do you call this? It's like a wristlet, but like without the wristlet part that you put on your wrist, of course, but yes, that's what it looks like. It is so well made. Every time I get one of these, like anything Louis Vuitton, like it's beyond well made. Like it's just worth every single penny, you guys. You don't even know. Like this is just such a beauty. All of it is, truly. So then it also came with this card holder. You can tell right there. That's exactly what it says on the inside of the bag. Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in France. And then it also has little places for your cards, and you can also put cash in right here. Super in love. Now I want to show you guys what it looks like with the chain. This is super gorgeous chain. This is what it looks like. Like the style and details are amazing. And it also has the LV on the chain. There, I'm gonna try to focus it. Hard to see, but you can kind of see it there. Super pretty. And it's on both sides too.